In this video, I'll show you how to create lead funnels using Dubsado so you can capture prospects and turn them into paying clients. Step 1. Build a lead capture form. In Dubsado, go to Forms, then Lead Captures, and create a new one. Create a form that collects names, emails, and project details. This form will act as the entry point to your funnel. Step 2. Embed the form on your website or landing page. Share the link on social media, your portfolio, or email signature so potential clients can reach you instantly. Step 3. Automate a welcome email. Connect the lead form to a workflow that sends an automatic thank you message with next steps, like scheduling a call or filling out a questionnaire. Step 4. Add a scheduling. Integrate your calendar so leads can book a discovery call directly after submitting the form, removing any friction in the process. Step 5. Nurture with workflows. Send follow-up emails, reminders, or resources automatically until the client books or signs a contract. And that's how you create a lead funnel in Dubsado, capturing, nurturing, and converting prospects into clients on autopilot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.